This one's on me.
Chablis, please. Hello. Bad day, huh? Me too. Of course, everything's been bad since I broke up with my boyfriend.